Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine. Guys, in my today's video, you are going to get different design ideas that are totally based on hand embroidery, and different patterns of floral embroidery are being shared with you. Floral embroidery bouquet, how to make a floral embroidery bouquet, how to make a hand embroidery flower, 3D embroidery flower, wool embroidery, thread embroidery, anchor, DMC, silky or sewing thread embroidery. Different type of embroidery patterns have been shared with you along with a very beautiful exquisite color combination of colors of flowers as well. Now we have 2 to 3 basic concerns. The first concern is that where you can use these very beautiful designs of hand embroidery, and then the answer to this question is very simple and easy, that you can use these beautiful patterns of hand embroidery to design your dresses as an all over heavy floral bunches onto your all over embroidery pattern of shirt, kurti, kameez or gown. You can design very beautiful dresses of your kids by using these very beautiful combinations and colors and exact patterns of floral embroidery as a embroidery bunch or a embroidery motif for designing your baby girl's frocks, yoke, or a back motif for your shirt or a front motif for your shirt, and many more other creativities as well. And for home decor, you can use these very beautiful hand embroidery patterns for designing your pillow covers, cushions, bed sheets, along with the tablecloths, along with the different type of accessories, kitchen accessories, jug cover, cup cover, and different type of other DIY home decor items as well. You can also design your scarves, ponchos, dupattas, and hand knitted material. Like, you can also embroider these patterns onto your sweaters as well. If we talk about the embroidery stitches, some sort of simple, easy, and basic embroidery stitches like lazy daisy stitch for the mini flowers, for the big flowers. But we have used satin stitch, and different type of knotty stitches like French knot, double twisted knot have been used. A vibrant color combination of threads for flowers have been used like orange, red, pink, rust, and coral. And for leaves, we have used different shades of green like mint green, olive green, parrot green, and pistachio green as well. You can design your shirts as well. I hope that you are enjoying the ideas of today, and stay tuned for the new and more upcoming videos. Guys, keep supporting us and keep watching our content as you always have been. And Eid is near. You can also design your Eid outfits by just following these very beautiful floral patterns of embroidery. You can also use these beautiful patterns of embroidery for the art of hand embroidery, for the art of liquid embroidery, for the art of machine embroidery as well. So this is a 3-in-1 treat for you. So these were the ideas and these were the combinations. Hope to see you soon back in my video with the new updates. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.